Hey, what's up, Eric? I'm gonna just do a quick video for you on just a couple pages here. Of course, uh, we'll do more training, but it's really pretty simple. I just wanted to show you real quick. So once you're logged in, you'll see this bar at the top. You'll basically just navigate your website just like you normally would. Anytime you want to edit a page, so for instance, your page, I'm gonna click on RTM Builder, and any part of the site, basically any part of the page that you want to update. This is your header. Here's your text right here. That's a paragraph text. So if you put in paragraph, it's always going to look like that. If you put in no, that's bolded. Okay. But for instance, here is a header text, but it's gonna take on the formatting of what's in the code. Say I want to change that picture, replace it, edit it, delete it, change the size. It's literally a drag and drop, essentially drag and drop. Hover over it, change. Kind of give you an idea over here. If you wanted to add in photos, testimonials, gallery, all sorts of different modules, you can. So let's say I wanted to add 4 more columns at the bottom of this. Okay, so I've got 4 columns. So let's say I want to put a picture in here. I can go to my computer now. I can either drag and drop files in here, or I can just pick one. I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. Okay, save. I'm just kind of showing you just random stuff, like what you could do. I mean, I don't even know what to put in. I mean, obviously this doesn't make any sense, but I want to put a video here. So it's literally kind of drag and drop. You can create pages from scratch. I'm going to click on Done, Discard Changes, OK. And then once I do that, I'm back to View mode. So for instance, I'm going to go to one of your pages. I haven't even looked at this, so yeah. So this might be a good example. So I'll click on RTM Page Builder, and once you get into here, you will want to change that. Here we go. Hover over it. You could replace the picture if you wanted to. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, you could create as many pages as you want. We'll show you. I'll give you much better training later, but I kind of wanted to let you see the back end of it.